Hello math lovers, it's Vic, and today we got a sneaky little problem for you. 30 minus 5 divided by 5. So the result is 4, or is it? Let's break it down. First, let's remember our order of operation, which is PEMDAS or BODMAS. So division comes before the subtraction. So we solve the division first. In this case, in this situation, we need to solve 5 divided by 5 first. Now our problem is 30 minus 5 minus 1 and is 24. But wait, what is with the result 4? I don't know if you noticed, but we have here the exclamation sign. So in math, exclamation sign means factorial. For an exclamation sign reads as for factorial. So which means 4 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, and multiplied by 1. So we have 4 multiplied by 3, 12, multiplied by 2, 24, 24 by 1 is 24. So the joke, if you fell for this joke, is this equation equals 4 factorial, which means 24. So the result of this equation, of course, is 24. So if you haven't seen factorial before, it's used a lot in combinatorics. So for example, we have 3 different people. Let's put it in different colors. So we have red, we have blue, and we have black. So for 3 people, if we want to arrange it on a straight line, let's say we can have the red here, for example, we can have the black here, and we can have the blue here. But what does factorial means? Means that there are several ways, because if then we switch blue with black or black with red, it's considered a different way to arrange these people. So here the factorial enters the place. So to calculate straight away how many ways we can arrange the 3 people, we are using the 3 factorial, which means that 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So in this case, we have 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. So we have 6 ways to arrange these 3 people, let's say on a straight line. If we had 4 people, for example, then we had, as in this case, we had 24 ways to arrange it. So we have 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, 24. So let's say we have another person here. Means that if we want to arrange 4 people on a straight line, we can use 4 factorial. It will be 24 ways to arrange these people in a line.